Can you AirDrop without Wi-Fi? This guide will provide the relevant answer. AirDrop can still function properly even without a router or the internet, as long as the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions are enabled. Below are the detailed steps for using AirDrop to transfer files, which apply even without an internet connection. Part 1. How to AirDrop without Wi-Fi on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. On iPhone or iPad, swipe down from the top or up from the bottom to open the control center, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Step 2. In the control center, press and hold the network settings module. Tap AirDrop and choose either contacts only or everyone. Step 3. Open the Photos or Files app and select the file you want to send. Step 4. Tap the Share button, the square icon with an arrow. Select the recipient device and wait for the file transfer to complete. Step 5. On the receiving device, you'll get a notification asking whether you want to accept the file transfer. Tap Accept. Part 2. How to AirDrop without Wi-Fi on Mac. Step 1. Open Finder on your Mac. Ensure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your Mac. Step 2. In the Finder sidebar, click on AirDrop or Go in the menu bar and select AirDrop. Step 3. At the bottom of the AirDrop window, click on the drop-down menu next to Allow Me to be discovered by and select either Contacts Only or Everyone, depending on your preference. Step 4. Drag and drop the file you want to share into the AirDrop window, or right-click the file and select Share AirDrop. Step 5. In the AirDrop window, select the nearby device you want to send the file to. Step 6. Once the recipient accepts the transfer, the file will begin transferring, and you'll be notified when it's complete. Part 3. AirDrop alternatives to transfer data without Wi-Fi. Although AirDrop is a very efficient tool, it does have certain limitations, such as file type and transfer distance restrictions. For more efficient file transfer needs, you can try the following alternatives. 3.1. Use Coolmuster Mobile Transfer to transfer data from iOS to iOS. Compared to AirDrop, it doesn't rely on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, making the transfer process more stable and reliable. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the tool on your computer. Connect both iPhones to the computer using USB cables. When prompted, tap Trust on each iPhone to establish the connection. Step 2. Once both devices are connected, the program interface will appear. Verify that the source and target devices are correctly identified. If not, click the flip button to switch their positions. Step 3. Choose the items you wish to transfer from the content list, such as contacts, notes, calendars, bookmarks, and books. Then, click the Start Copy button to initiate the transfer process automatically. 3.2. Use Coolmuster iOS Assistant to transfer data between iOS and Mac. This tool is perfect for users who frequently need to share data between iOS and Mac devices, especially when dealing with large-scale backups or file management, where its functionality stands out. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the tool on your Mac. Connect your iPhone to the Mac using a USB cable and trust the device when prompted. Once connected, the interface will appear. Step 2. Select a category from the left panel and choose the specific items from the right panel. To transfer files from iPhone to Mac, click the Export button. To transfer files from Mac to iPhone, click the Import button.